What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw a Sweatcoin to GCash. So you might be wondering if you could actually convert your Sweatcoin here to GCash. Well, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So we all know that Sweatcoin is fairly new. It's not yet fully established on other platforms out there. So again, it's fairly new. So it's not every platform is able to cater to it yet. So the thing with Sweatcoin here, since it's new, you won't be able to use Sweatcoin in GCash or convert your Sweatcoin here to GCash. Again, platform is pretty new. But the great thing about Sweatcoin here is instead of converting it to GCash or withdrawing it to GCash, you can actually use or utilize your Sweatcoin directly on the platform itself and get free stuff. So let's open up the Sweatcoin app here and let's go and choose reward section, which in this case, it should give you different rewards that you may be able to avail here. Now, in this case, this actually changes on a monthly basis or depending on the event itself. But sometimes they do have like bundles here. You could get like earphones or even subscriptions or even draws here that you could basically win stuff here. So if you want to basically enter the draw here. So yeah, so in the reward section here, this is where you'll be able to get free stuff in exchange of your Sweatcoin. So again, since the platform is fairly new, you won't be able to withdraw your Sweatcoin to GCash, but still, you could utilize the reward section here to get free stuff. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.